Hello, Kang. Welcome back to my class. It's nice to see you again. How are you now? How are you today? How are you, Kangi? Okay. Can you hear me, Kang? How are you? Okay.
Higher.
Okay. How are you today? How are you? Are you all right? Are you okay, Kangi?
Yes.
All right. So let's class. Let's start our class, Kangi. Can you see me? Yes. I can see you, teacher.
Yes.
Let's wait. Wait. Again. Did you eat your dinner, Kang?
Yes.
What did you eat?
It's meat.
Wow, it's so delicious. Do you have a school today?
Huh?
Do you go to school today?
Yes.
Okay. So today, Kang, you have to write three true things for each answer, okay? Okay. So number one, please tell me something about your favorite hobby. Kang. Ah, no, favorite hobby.
Um.
No, first. That is number three, sorry. Wait. Okay, again. Okay. Number 1, Kang, can you please tell me something about your school?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please tell me? For example, it's a big school. It's got a swimming pool. How about your school? Can you please tell me about something about your school, Kang? Hmm? What is it?
Huh?
I mean, please tell me about your school. For example, it's a big school and it's
Hello.
got a
This
swimming
is
pool.
my album. This is my
Yours,
album.
that is your school?
Yes.
Okay. So can you please tell me about that one? What can you see in your school?
It's big school. It's at the swimming pool.
Oh, your school have a swimming pool? Ah, okay. So number 2, can you please tell me something about your English teacher, Tangi? Can you please tell me about your teacher, English teacher? Hmm? Can you please tell me about your teacher, Kangkang? Hello, Kang. Good evening. Can you hear me? Can you please tell me something about your English teacher?
Yeah.
If he is a boy, you have to
Um.
his name is, if she is a girl, her name is, okay.
Plant. Plant.
Okay. Can you please tell me about her? Her name is, what is her name? Your English teacher.
Plant.
Okay,
Yeah.
can you please tell her something about your English teacher? She is what? She is
This is
ugly?
Erica.
Is she ugly? Is she an ugly?
What is clean? What is clean?
Clean?
I don't understand.
Okay. I mean, please tell me something about your English teacher. For example, for your school, it's a big school. So,
Plant.
how about your teacher? What can you say about your teacher? For example, I'm going to tell you, he is Kang and he is handsome and smart. And he always listen to his teacher and he always he is active and he answer all of his activity.
Down. Turn zero.
Okay, let's skip that. How about please tell me something about your favorite hobby?
Daughter.
And say this one. My favorite hobby is.
Ocha.
Can you say it again?
Ocha.
Acha?
Ocha.
Abi- I think your favorite hobby is football. Playing football.
Ocha.
What's that? What is
Ocha.
ocha?
Ocha.
What's that?
Ocha.
Can you please write your answer?
Ocha.
Ocha, your favorite hobby? Okay, again. Hmm.
Hãy chia sẻ về sở thích, yêu thích của bạn nhé.
Tang? Again? Okay, so today we are going to discuss the topics from exercise 2. So next is writing. So there are 3 pictures. So you must write a short story. You must write 35 words or. And can you please write the. Can you please write the down things that you can see, Kang, in the picture? What can you see in the picture? You have to write 2 things that you see in the picture. What is it? Hello, Kang? Can you hear me? Kang? Hello? Wait, I will tell your mom you are not listening.
Another.
So what can you see in the picture? What things can you see in the picture? Okay, again. For example, a boy with a rucksack walking into a building, a door, and a door. Okay? Next, picture B. What can you see in the picture B? A boy is what? Hello, Kang? We don't have any time. You have to answer this one. What can you see in the picture? Hello? Kang, where are you? What can you see in the picture? For example, the boy in a kitchen, he is looking in the fridge. Okay, next. What can you see in this picture?
Happy birthday.
The boy's friends, a cake, and a happy birthday sign. Okay, next. Can you please discuss the question? And we're going to review the question. So what do you want to call the boy, Kang? Okay, what do you want to call the boy, Kang? Letter A, letter B, or letter C? What do you want to call the boy? One. I will tell your mom you're not listening again. Two. What do you want to call the boy? What can you see in the picture? Letter A, letter B, or letter C?
Ay,
Are you sure? Is he wearing a hat?
yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure he's wearing a hat? This is his head. Do you know what is hat? What do you call this? Tang.
B.
Okay, very good. So you can call him a boy with a backpack. Okay, can you please read your answer?
No. No.
Okay.
B.
We're not going to proceed the next if you are not reading that one. Okay, again, can you please read? What do you want to call the boy?
B.
Yes, can you please read?
B.
Can you please read? Four and third. Okay, can you please read your answer? What do you want to call the boy? What is it?
B. B.
Yes. So your answer is letter B. And then what do you want to call that boy? Hmm? Can you please read? Okay, again, can you please read? What is your answer? Can you please read your answer? Can you please read your answer?
E.
Okay, can you please read your answer?
E.
Yes, what is the B?
E.
Yes, I know it's B, but you have to read. You should read.
E.
You should read. Bạn nên đọc.
Again, Kang, you have to read. Okay, next. Number 2. What is your answer number 2? How old is he? Okay, number 2. How old is he?
E.
No, it's not.
C. C.
Okay, good job. Next. Where is he?
I.
What is your can you please read? He is
I.
in
I.
he is in what?
I.
Okay, he is in
I.
Okay, can you please read your answer? He is in You have to complete your
C.
answer.
I.
You have to read and complete your sentences when you're reading your answer. Okay, again. Because that is a student should do to complete his answer. Okay, again, what do you want to call the boy?
B.
Oh, okay, can you please read your answer?
B.
Yeah, you should say, I want to call a boy with a backpack. Again, can you please read this one, your answer? Can you please read? Again, Kang, can you please read?
Hi. Hi.
Okay, can you please read your answer?
B.
Yes, can you please read?
B.
Read.
What?
You should read.
B.
Ag-
Bạn nên đọc.
Cảm ơn với nào.
Bạn nên đọc.
Okay, again. What can you say?
B.
Okay, can you please read?
B.
I want to call. Can you please read this one?
B.
Okay, can you please read?
B.
Okay, again, can you please read?
B.
Can you please read?
B.
You should read.
B.
We don't have any time. You should read.
B.
Bạn nên Bạn nên đọc.
Again.
I should read.
Okay, can you please read? Okay. If you're not reading, we are not proceed to our next questions. Okay, we don't have any time. So that's all for today. Goodbye.